So I'm gonna go check out this trail over here and see what it looks like. So check it out. I don't even know where I'm at. I guess I'm right here. Is that where I'm at? So this trail goes for miles in. So is that like a mile? Well, let's take a little hike, see how far we go. Wildlife activity in this area. It's not bad, huh? Underground networks at work, it says. Can you guys read that? Actually, it don't go too bad. I'm out of breath. Whew. So you got all that tape on the trees. It's not tape, it's marks, I mean. We're just gonna go a little ways because I don't want to get lost. Yeah, this keep you in shape, man. It's good though, pump up the heart, you know. Especially if you have high cholesterol. Yeah, this wouldn't want to hike here at night, that's for sure. And they say there's some wild bears out here. Wild animals. Got like a little creek. What are those, bear claws? I'm just gonna go to that tree and that's it. Just wanted to see what was around. Check out the leaves, the bark on the floor. The trees, fallen trees. Can you imagine if there was no trail here? I'd be lost in the middle of nowhere. Wow, it goes way up there, huh? Holy moly. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go right here. It goes way up there. I just wanted to go for a little walk, you know. Some fresh air. Whew. Look at this side. And there's actually a house up there. See that house? Maybe another day I'll go up there, but not right now. It's a workout, man, going up a hill. You gotta be in damn good shape. Check out this tree. That tree must be over 100 years old. Down the hill, huh? Ooh, yeah, that was. I hiked about a mile, you guys, but look at that. Going down this thing. Crazy. It actually looks beautiful. I'm not in shape. A little at a time, they say. You guys check out this den I come across. What do you think this is? Anyways, guys, I'm heading back. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.